If you're curious about crypto and want a super simple way to get started, today's tutorial is for you. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to create your own Telegram wallet right inside the Telegram app. You'll walk away knowing how to make a wallet, keep your crypto safe, and understand how it all works, no technical jargon required. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that Telegram recently updated their wallet features. There's no longer any identity verification required, so the process is faster and much more private than before. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Look for the hamburger menu, the three little lines at the top left corner. Go ahead and give that a tap. This opens up all your main navigation options. Scroll down until you spot Wallet. This is where the magic happens. If this is your first time, you'll see two options: add an existing wallet or create a new wallet from scratch. Today we'll be making a fresh one. At this point, Telegram will prompt you to back up your wallet. This is a crucial step. Think of it like making a spare key for your house. There are usually two choices: automated backup or manual backup. For extra control and privacy, I recommend manual. This way, you get to handle your secret codes yourself. Next, Telegram will show you a series of secret codes. These are usually a bunch of words that act as your wallet's recovery phrase. It's incredibly important. Imagine it as a secret password only you know, and without it, you could lose access to all your funds. Don't rush here. Take a moment to carefully write these codes down on a piece of paper. Never store them as a screenshot or digital note, since phones can get hacked and online files can be stolen. A physical copy hidden somewhere safe is the gold standard for crypto security. Once you have your secret codes securely written and tucked away, you can click Add Your Secret Code in the app. Now you'll need to type those words back in exactly as Telegram gave them to you. This confirms you wrote it down correctly. If you make a mistake here, just double check and try again. Don't worry, it's a common step to stumble on for first-timers. And that's it. Right after you enter your secret codes, Telegram creates your wallet instantly. You'll land in your wallet dashboard where you can store, send, or receive crypto. Notice that you never had to provide your ID or personal details. This makes Telegram Wallet one of the simplest and most private ways to get started in crypto. Now, a quick word of caution. I didn't type my own secret codes on screen here, and you shouldn't either if you're making a video or tutorial yourself. Your recovery phrase is incredibly sensitive. Treat it like the keys to your bank vault. So there you have it. Creating a wallet is easier than ever with Telegram. You're now ready to explore the world of crypto, trade, or just hold currencies, all from the comfort of your favorite chat app. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Have questions or got stuck anywhere in the process? Drop me a comment below and I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy wallet making.